unit is going to be our regatta. 700 square feet. All right. Stainless steel appliances throughout the kitchen. Dark hardwood cabinets. All right. Vinyl plank flooring. It's going to lead out into your carpeted living room. Now the view in these units will be determined by you. We have them that face the parking garage. We also have them that face the river. We do have plenty of parking, 2.5 floors of covered parking. Obviously we've got an open floor up there. Lots of parking to be had here. All right, take you back through. Central heat and air in every unit. So this is going to be your master bedroom. Got a walk-in closet. Does home your water heater, but it doesn't get hot to the touch and it is silent. Take you into the master bedroom. Does comfortably fit a queen size bed. And again, your view will definitely be determined by you. Alright, in our bathroom we do have ventless washer and dryer. Super energy efficient. Alright. Here at Justison Landing, we do have a 24-hour on-call maintenance team. We also take care of your trash services with a trash room on every floor. No need to go outside into the cold in the winter to take out your trash. Each one of our floors has a sitting area. It's going to take you out with a nice view. Shows you the river. All right. Now in the summertime, that there across the street becomes a beer garden. In the wintertime, it's a nice skating rink. Lots of walking trails, greens for the pets. We are extremely pet friendly. So here's our fitness center. We've got the ellipticals, treadmills, free weights, everything you need to get a good workout in.